ang tawag ko dito is welcome video sa mga I just wanna take the opportunity na mag-thank you sa ating mga subscribers and also sa mga napupunta pa lang, kakapanood mo pa lang. Welcome. Thank you so much for coming to my wifey friends. Thank you so much. I really appreciate sa pag-subscribe niyo sa aking channel. Never have thought na vlogger ako kasi ako yung parang introvert kind of person. Pero madaldal din. Since siguro because of maturity siguro nawawala na yung hiya. But looking back, I'm so shy. But with experience, saka yun na rin sa age na rin, parang wala na hiya. Pero ano pa rin ako kumbadi, so I don't have a lot of friends. That's why it's hard for me to gain 1K subscribers and also 400 watch hours, and wala rin akong specific videos na mai-offer sa viewers na yung mga viewers talaga sa YouTube. Nagpapasalamat na ako kasi mayroong tinatawag na LS, persons with disabled sa akin. Yun yung we support each other, and I really appreciate sa mga friends natin sa YT na pag sinusupport natin, nagsusupport din sila. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I never have thought na magagawa ko na maging vlogger ako, but it happened. So let's see what's gonna happen. What's important in life is we enjoy what we do, right? So in case sa sarili ko, I am also enjoying doing this. So I think and I know this path is for me as well. So